When you come home from a long day at work, it's easy to misplace your keys. And the next morning, you might find yourself tearing your house apart looking for them.
Where are my freaking keys? Hold on, bro.
The solution? SwitchHooks. Toggle switch wall plates with 3 integrated hooks. Hang keys, purses, jackets, lanyards, pet leashes, and more. The plate fits standard switches with no modification, so installation is a cinch. Just unscrew the old plate, swap the plates out, and secure your switch hooks. The plate is rated to hold 5 pounds, so even if you carry this big ball of keys, you have nothing to worry about. Beat key amnesia with the SwitchHooks wall plate. Buy it now at vat19.com.
vat19.com.
Oh, found him!